Hi guys, today we'll do another Animal Company update, but you're probably wondering, why is this video on a Monday? Updates are on Tuesdays. Well, I'll tell you why in a bit, but I'm playing with my friend here, drumroll please.
Yo.
Brady again. Last update we had him, but he was really weird, so we'll give him a second chance. First, let's check out cosmetics like usual, but look at the trees outside. Alright, let's go check out cosmetics. Alright. So we have the L Skibbity, all 25%. I'm probably gonna get this one because of the hat. I have 535.
The jacket is kind of the jacket. Look at the jacket, man. It's like signal like that.
All right, over here we have more too. These ones are pretty cool. Are these like the same things? Wait, I might get this one actually because this one's pattern's cool and the hat's cooler. All right. Let's go check out research points. Alright. So, right here, this piñata bat. This is new. I bought it earlier while my friend was getting in the game. But I'll go buy one and show you what it does.
Wow, that was good.
So these things are like kebab sticks, but for piñatas. People have been saying there's piñatas around the map, but we'll check that out in a bit. So I'm gonna hit this man with it. Wait, it's playing music when I hit him. This man's tripping with lag.
Take a full swing.
See?
Yeah.
See? Do you hear that? First, we're gonna go check out over by Forest because it doesn't look like anything's over in these two sections besides Mines. Mines does look weird because there's a ton of trees.
I can bet.
Actually, let's check out this first.
Mines overhaul.
I'm leaving him in the dust.
I bet they did a whole mines overhaul, man. I bet it's changed.
Nothing. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna speed this up going to a minefield. Some of these trees don't have leaves. These are really slow. Sorry about that. I'd expect it to be like near Haunted Mansion or near like that Panda Ogre. Or maybe by the Ogre. Brady! Look, it's the llamas from Fortnite.
Fortnite Lou Llamas! Her 3, Curry.
Why does it have like
Nick 8
dots on it?
I better drop something. Oh!
What are these? Are these like, these are nuts. Why are they dropping nuts?
Wait, grab them.
Alright, let's see if this piñata thing does more damage. Oh, it one-shots them. Brady.
If what does?
This thing one-shots them. Have it. Okay. Ah! Brady! Avenge me!
Of the Josh.
Alright, that took forever, but he finally revived me.
I revived you and then you literally got killed right away. You're about to get killed again.
Oh no, not again.
Whoa, he aimed at me and I hit him.
I turned the Ogre Rainbow.
Oh, he's aimed at me.
I kind of like me. I like how it plays sound. It sounds really cool.
Revive me. It's so racist.
Look at all the nuts. I
He's
have
not
one
even
health left. Brady, you try killing it.
Hey, yeah, we got him.
Alright, guys. That was all in today's video. But like the video if you want Brady and more videos. Dislike it if you want Sigma Slayer. Alright. Bye, guys.